In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix L or Libeay32.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to know is to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type SYS or system information. Click on it under the best match. Then take note of your system type and then open a browser. Any of the browser that you have on your Windows 11, that will do. Once the browser is open, simply search for the missing DLL and just put download and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding download button, for the architecture or the system type of your Windows, and wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then right click on the folder, select extract all, click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click, select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, double click, locate the System32 folder. Here it is. Right click and then select paste and click on continue. Once done, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart, then open a browser again. Simply search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download link corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows and install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. Also consider to update your Windows. Click on the Start button and then go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here. Okay? So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.